The sprinkler head must not only control the flow of water, but also direct the spray to exactly the right spot on a lawn. But how can just one head spray water a few inches and shoot it over 10 yards away at the same time? The secret lies in the shape of its intricate parts. Cut into the rotating head, 24 miniature grooves between 1/10 and 1/20 of an inch wide create different length streams of water. The water pressure is powerful enough to spin the nozzle around. Underneath, a layer of translucent silicone jelly controls the rotation of the head so it spins at just the right speed. The sprinkler won't flood your garden, but will make sure that no blade of grass is left dry. These sprinkler heads spray out up to 118 gallons of high-pressure water every hour. Technicians must check that the intricate parts inside it are tough enough to take the strain.
This third station is what we call the spin test station. And here we're actually putting our units through sort of a torture test.
Steve puts 8 in every 1,000 sprinkler heads under intense pressure.
So we want to make sure that it's able to function under some of the most extreme water conditions. So I'll go ahead and set this guy up.
Steve lowers a reinforced plastic shield to protect him from the blast. Sprinklers blast out hundreds of gallons of high-pressure water every hour. Steve must check that the intricate parts inside the head won't crack under the pressure. He forces water through each head at 55 pounds per square inch.
These units are being exposed to a direct stream. Normally in a unit, there are other parts slowing down the flow to get down to the very specific water pattern. And this one is an all-out water spray, and it's just hitting it full speed, 55 psi.
The sprinkler head survives, unscathed. Next challenge, make sure it sprays evenly across the lawn so no drop is wasted.
We are in a drought in California, and water is very scarce. We don't like to waste water.
Steve has a room full of buckets that count every drop.
These black pods, each one is individual, and it catches water droplets, and there's 714 catchments on this board, and it goes from 20 feet circumference around.
Each pod connects to a computer that maps out where every drop of water lands.
It's starting to create a profile and to see where the water's being thrown out there.
This one passes with total coverage. Thanks to its ingenious design, garden sprinklers spray every part of the lawn, hardly wasting a drop.